Hey guys, have you got a 2019 or up Dodge Ram 1500 truck? If so, then you're in luck. Morimoto is launching their new X3B third brake light for your trucks. Available in a sleek piano black, they really look good in stock form, but you can paint match them to your truck if that's your style. They've got a nice rail style optic with 3-watt LEDs behind them, so in the brake light mode, they're plenty bright enough for everyone to see behind you, but especially in the cargo lighting department, it's going to light up the bed without any gaps, so you can use your truck to see everything back here at night with no problem. You've also got the optional rapid flash module, which will cause the brake lights to flash a few times before going solid every time you initiate the brakes. Some people call it the F1 style, and if you like that, we'd certainly have that available. It's going to be a plug-and-play install, really couldn't be easier, and the units are backed by a 5-year warranty, so you know you've got peace of mind while running them on your truck. Featuring DOT and SAE compliance, you also don't have to worry about that aspect. Follow me while we get them installed. Remove the 4 No. 2 Phillips head screws securing the factory third brake light to the vehicle. Pull the brake light assembly away from the vehicle, depress the tab on the brake light connector, and pull away from the assembly to disconnect the plug. With the third brake light assembly removed from the vehicle, take this time to thoroughly clean the area underneath the assembly with your preferred residue-free cleaner. Make sure the area around the housing is free of dirt and debris so that the new assembly can properly seal against the vehicle. Connect the included adapter harness to the vehicle's factory third brake light connector. If you'll be installing the Morimoto X3B rapid flash module, which is sold separately, you'll be plugging it into the adapter harness. Find a suitable connection in the brake light cavity to mount the rapid flash module where it is out of the way of the brake light housing, but is close enough for the module to plug into the back of the third brake light. Make sure this area has been thoroughly cleaned, then remove the backing on the adhesive on the back of the module and secure it to the sheet metal cavity. Then you're going to remove the 2 threaded clips from the inside section of the factory third brake light mounts. Lift the new brake light assembly up to the vehicle and connect the adapter harness, or the rapid flash module if you chose to install it, to the connector on the back of the housing. Without fully installing the light, get in the vehicle and confirm that both functions are working properly. Remove the light from the vehicle and remove the paper backing from the adhesive on the foam gasket. Press the light into position, ensuring that the 2 clips on the back of the housing latch into the vehicle's position. Secure it to the vehicle using 2 of the factory screws and use the included rubber washers as needed to replace them on the original screws if needed. The rubber washers go in between the screw head and the assembly and are provided with your light. Tighten until hand tight. Do not use power tools or over tighten. No ugga-duggas. So that's Morimoto's new X3B for the 2019 and up Ram 1500. Head on over to morimotolighting.com to get yours now.